everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to save Instagram Reels audio. Now let's get started. First, open your Instagram apps, and in here you just click on the Reels menu. You can click on it, and in here you can search the audio that you want to save. Maybe I wanna save this audio, and after this you can click this icon. You can click on the audio at the bottom. This one, can click on it, and after this you can click on the save audio in here. And this audio has been saved. For the search the audio that you save, you can click on the profile icon at the bottom, and after this you can click on the three lines icon at the top, and now you can click on the save, and in here you can click on the audio, click on it, and this is the audio has been saved. So that's how to save Instagram Reels audio on Instagram apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.